Hello, Happy New Year. I thought I'd do a quick epilogue, if you like, of the Advent box. Just show you everything that's been received all in one go, because there's so much and, you know, the details could be lost in the timescale, so I thought I'd give it a go. So the first thing is the box. It's cardboard, but it's really sturdy cardboard. Grey's a great colour for me, and it's got a magnetic closer, so you've got the magnets. So yeah, so first off we have this fantastic fabric from Coffee Craft Fabrics, dyed especially for the Advent calendar. It's just my colours, purples and blues. I have had Coffee Craft stuff before, and it's always really great fabric. It's linen. Linen's not my favourite, but it is what it is. I chose the linen box over Ada, so I'd always prefer linen over Ada, even weave over linen. That's just my personal preference, and this is beautiful. Next we have the spools. So we have 2 Overa Soie, metallic and silk, and 2 Aurifil. So this is fab on an actual wooden spool. So yeah, there definitely seemed to be a pink theme starting from this, but that was just early days and it didn't last. Okay, fabric, spools. Next, skeins. So next up we have 17 skeins of thread. Now, along with the normal cotton and silks, we have some unusual things. We have wool, Gentle Art Simply Wool. I don't know what I would use it for, a silhouette maybe, but yeah. And we also have chenille. So yeah, we've got some really interesting different threads in this calendar. Dinky Dyes limited edition silks, Valdani, Overa Soie, Classic Colourworks, things I would maybe not buy myself, but that's kind of the point, to get things that you wouldn't normally buy yourself. So yeah, very happy with that. Okay, so moving away from your standard threads, we have some fabulous embellishments. So we've got some pom-pom edging. You can use this, couch it down, sew it down in some way, just on a project, or you often find it used as edging round, like piping round the edges of a cushion. So burgundy and yellow. I love this. I love the presentation of this. No, it's just red ribbons, different types of red ribbon to look like a mannequin, a dress on a mannequin. I'm actually quite reluctant to take that apart, I think, unless I absolutely need to use the ribbons. I'm just going to leave it as it is because I just love that presentation. And then we had a big surprise on, we opened them on day 25, but could have opened it at any time. This brilliant little tin of buttons. So just a little white tin, you know, not very big. Absolutely stuffed to the gills with buttons. Shapes, sizes, these are cool. Stocking. A birdhouse. So some are wood, most are plastic, and I've got some really tiny ones as well. I've already used some of the tiny purple and pink and red ones on my Wonky Heart project. You may not know about that, but I will tell you about that another day. Okay, so now on to the pièce de résistance. Okay, so as part of the calendar we received not 1 but 2 complete projects. The first one is the Blackwork project designed by Letitia Gubier. I'm sorry, Letitia, if I've mispronounced that. Who is the proprietor of Corrie's Little Shop, and who put these amazing calendars together. So black work project. There's a hint inside. Don't worry, you're not seeing the chart. Spoiler alert, a piece of Zweigart 28 count even weave is included in your advent calendar. We get the complete kit. Fabric and threads. So lovely bright colours, black for the edging. Yeah. So that's project number 1. Project number 2 might be it. There we go. So it's Whilst Iris Snaps Designs Strawberries Galore. And it's this fabulous house with lace onto the back of a spool. Okay, so you've got strawberries. This might be one for Rogue Mama Stitcher, Amber. She likes her strawberries. And that again came with everything you need to complete it. We have white fabric. We have mostly Weeks Dye Works threads, plus the DMC white and the spool. We have everything to complete 2 projects. So apparently this is wood and oak and hand turned, and I think it's a beautiful piece of wood. So yeah, that is everything, and I think it's fair to say I'm a bit overwhelmed by it all. There's so much stuff, but having the projects, not just random threads and accessories and embellishments, I think having 2 actual projects makes it just that bit more meaningful. So thank you again, Letitia. It's been an absolute pleasure to open this year, especially alongside Kim with the Goldwork calendar. So yeah, more next year.